shopping street near Ginkakuji Temple in Kyoto. The street leading to Ginkakuji Temple features about 20 shops selling souvenirs, crafts, Japanese food, Japanese snacks, and Western snacks such as ice cream. There aren't many restaurants in the area. Ginkakuji, Silver Pavilion is a Zen temple along Kyoto's eastern mountains Higashiyama. In 1482, Shogun Ashikaga Yoshimasa built his retirement villa on the grounds of today's temple, modeled after Kinkakuji Golden Pavilion, his grandfather's retirement villa at the base of Kyoto's northern. As the retirement villa of an art-obsessed shogun, Ginkakuji became a center of contemporary culture, known as the Higashiyama culture in contrast to the Kitayama culture of his grandfather's times. Unlike the Kitayama culture, which remained limited to the aristocratic circles of Kyoto, the Higashi. Today, Ginkakuji consists of the Silver Pavilion, half a dozen other temple buildings, a beautiful moss garden, and a unique dry sand garden. It is enjoyed by walking along a circular route around its grounds, from which the gardens and buildings can be viewed. A first sight of the Silver Pavilion can be enjoyed shortly after entering the grounds. Formerly named Kananden Cannon Hall, the pavilion's two stories are constructed into different architecture styles and contain a statue of Kannon, the Buddhist goddess of mercy. The pavilion is one of only two buildings on the grounds of Ginkakuji which have survived intact the many fires and earthquakes of the past centuries, although it has been undergoing periodical renovation works to keep it well preserved. Next along the route is an expansive, meticulously maintained dry sand garden, known as the Sea of Silver Sand, with a massive sand cone named Moon Viewing Platform. Besides the garden stands the Hondo Main Hall, which displays paintings on its sliding doors Fusuma, but cannot be entered. Right next to the Hondo stands the Togudo, Ginkakuji's only other temple building besides the Silver Pavilion, which dates back to the temple's foundation. The Togudo is celebrated for containing a study room of 4.5 tatami mats, which is considered to be the oldest extant example of Shoin architecture. passing by the Togudo, the walking path then takes visitors through Ginkakuji's moss garden, which features ponds with islands and bridges, little streams, and various plants. The path climbs a hill behind the buildings from where there are nice views of the entire temple grounds and the city.